Hi, Sherry again. Welcome to the new topic from MCQdump. Whether you are preparing for school, college or competitive exams or job purposes, our channel will prove to be a guaranteed resource for you. We design our content going deep into a particular topic with the aim to bring you a mastery of the topic and help you understand the topic in depth. Let's continue. A CPU can be classified as. Options are A. Single core, B. Double core, C. Quad core, and D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Even hexacore, 8 cores, octa-core are also there. As of 2019, the majority of consumer CPUs feature between 2 and 12 cores. Workstation and server CPUs may feature as many as 48 cores. A double-core processor is suitable for multitasking. True or false? It is true. A double-core processor is suitable for multitasking compared to a single-core processor. Because it contains 2 cores within a single integrated circuit, each core has its cache and controller. These controllers and cache are linked together to work as a single unit. This is why these CPUs can work faster than the single-core processors. A multi-core processor performs multiple instructions at a time. True or false? It's true. A multi-core processor performs multiple instructions at a time. Instructions are sent to a CPU when. Options are A. A key is pressed, B. A mouse is clicked, C. An application is started, and D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Instructions are sent to a CPU when a key is pressed, or a mouse is clicked, or an application is started. All CPUs are microprocessors, however, all microprocessors are not necessarily CPUs. True or false? It is true. All CPUs are microprocessors, however, all microprocessors are not necessarily CPUs. A CPU breaks down a process into the following 3 parts. Options are A. Fetch, B. Allocate, C. Decode, and E. Execute. Right options are A. Fetch, C. Decode, and D. Execute. A CPU fetches the instructions from RAM, decodes and executes them using relevant parts of the CPU. Storing may also be considered a 4th part. Here, result of the execution are returned back to memory for later retrieval. A single-core processor is suitable for multitasking. True or false? It is false. A single-core processor is not suitable for multitasking because it has a single core that is used for processing all instructions and information. This also means that the CPU can only process one operation at a time. Which of the following statements are true for a quad-core processor? Options are A. It has 2 dual-core processors on a single IC chip, B. It is multitasking, C. It offers higher performance, and D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Decoding the instructions means translating them into machine language, binary, a form the CPU can understand true or false. It's true. Decoding the instructions means translating them into machine language, binary, a form the CPU can understand true or false. A core is not a CPU itself. True or false? It's false. A core is a CPU itself. It is a separate device inside the main CPU chip. Modern computers have the ability to support more than one core inside the main chip. This technology allows the creation of multiple threads within a single process to enhance the throughput of computing. Options are A. Hyperthreading, B. Multithreading, C. Superthreading, and D. None of the above. Answer is B. Multithreading. What is hyperthreading in CPU? Options are A. Hardware innovation, B. Software innovation, C. Both of the above, and D. None of the above. Answer is A. Hardware innovation. Hyperthreading technology is a hardware innovation that allows more than one thread to run on each core. More threads means more work can be done in parallel. So, in addition to the physical cores, there are also these virtual cores, or threads as they are also called. They aren't actual physical cores, but they appear to be so. The actual speed of the computer depends on the speed of many different components, not just the processor. True or false? It is true. The actual speed of the computer depends on the speed of many different components, not just the processor. However, a faster processor can execute instructions more quickly. Execution time of programs is faster, and give CPU even more computational power with this. Options are A. Physical core in CPU, B. Virtual core in CPU, C. Combination of physical and virtual core, and D. None of the above. Answer is C. Combination of physical and virtual core. This technology allows a single processor to operate into two separate processors for the operating system, the applications, and the programs using it. Options are A. Hyperthreading, B. Multithreading, C. Superthreading, and D. None of the above. Answer is A. Hyperthreading. Find the wrong statement for a single core processor. Options are A. It has only one core to process different operations. B. It is suitable for multitasking. C. The performance of these CPUs is mainly dependent on the clock speed. And D. It can start only one operation at a time. Answer is B. It is suitable for multitasking. Actually, it is not suitable for multitasking. Find the right statements for a dual-core CPU. Options are A. It can perform faster than single-core processors. B. It contains two cores in a single integrated circuit. C. It is suitable for multitasking. And D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Find the right statements for a quad-core CPU. Options are: A. It has 2 dual-core processors in one integrated circuit, IC. B. It contains 4 independent units called cores. C. Its cores can run multiple instructions simultaneously. And D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Please show your support. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell for our new content.